Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Boxycharm Premium and my Boxyluxe for September of 2020. So if you're into these types of videos, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would literally melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So we're gonna start out with showing you what I got in my Boxycharm Premium, which is $35 a month, and we're gonna see if it is better than the Boxyluxe this month. Kind of a little boxy versus boxy. So let's go ahead and start out with my choice item. So here I have the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. It says instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic Birch Sap. So this was my choice item. Pretty much everything in this box I know I'm not gonna actually use. So more than likely I'm going to be adding everything to my Poshmark. If you guys aren't already following me over on Poshmark, or if you don't have a Poshmark, you can actually sign up to Poshmark with my referral CONNORKRYSTYN, and you can get a $10 credit to shop any closet. So say you bought something from me, you get $10 off. That is how it'll go. But anyways, yeah, that's what I got for my choice item, and it retails for $50. Next up, from Eloise Beauty, I have the Queen Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for $46. So here is what the palette looks like. It's just very pinky and purple. It has 20 pigments in 4 setting textures, 8 buttery matte, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper, which is lovely. I think this is actually a really beautiful palette. So yeah, next up is something from Emma Hardy. This is the Brilliance Face Oil, and it says it increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant protection. And this has a retail value of $55, which is excellent. Next up, we have something from Frank Body. This is the Coconut Coffee Scrub. I've had something like this before in the past. I haven't actually used it, but I have tried a coffee scrub, and I actually really like it. Like, I really do. It's kind of a mess, but you're in the shower, so it's honestly like easy cleanup. So this is something in the box that I'm definitely going to use. I think it's the only item in the box I'm actually going to keep. I wish I could smell it, but honestly I have really bad allergies right now and I can't smell anything. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. Next up, from Kitsch, this is a ice roller for your overworked sensitive skin. It has surgical stainless steel as the roller. I already have 2 face rollers, so I really don't need another one, but this retails for $18. And did I tell you that this retails for $18.95? Because it does. And then lastly, we have here the Marc Jacobs High Shine Gloss Lip Lacquer in the shade Allow Me. And this has a retail value of $29, which is insane. I would never pay $29 for a lip gloss ever, so that's just crazy dumb. I'm just throwing that out there. But here's the shade. It's actually a beautiful shade. I just have so many lip products that I really don't need another one. Definitely gonna be throwing all of those items up on my Poshmark. Also, if you were wondering, I have variation number 4. Let's see how much all of these products add up to for the value of the box. So the total value of the box is $216.95, which paying $35 for it is a steal, a big steal. Now let's see what came in my Boxyluxe this month. I'm actually like so excited. This one is so heavy. I have a feeling I have the weighted mask in here, but like I'm into it. I love masks. Okay, it looks like dirty in here. I think it's just this bottle. Okay, so Glam Vibes Only. I have variation number 21, and honestly, I'm so thrilled by what I got in here. I'm so thrilled. Okay, so first off that I got in here is from Tan Luxe. This is the Gradual Illuminating Gradual Tan Lotion, which I think was my choice item, and I'm like really excited about this. The bottle came like really dirty though. Like, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but yeah, it looks like somebody just like Anyways, this actually smells so good. I have a Gradual tanner lotion for the shower from Saint Tropez, and it has this weird, like, how do I explain this? Have you ever gone to Goodwill and smelled stuff that you know came from an old person's house? That's kind of what it smells like. So I'm excited to try this because that other smell I just cannot do. So the Tan-Luxe Gradual Illuminating Tanning Lotion retails for $33. I'm so excited to try this. Like, I'm pumped. I'm pumped. Okay, next up we have another product that is kind of dirty looking. It has like black stuff all over the packaging, but whatever. This is the Cara Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask. I think this is for your hair. Yeah. Okay. Revives and repairs dry or damaged hair. So this has a retail value of $24. I know I don't care about hair care, but I definitely feel like my hair is kind of gross, and I'm going to be using this 110%. I promise you I'm not getting rid of it. I will use it in the shower tonight. Swear. Definitely gotta use it. Next up is was this a choice item? I can't remember. I honestly can't even remember what I chose. Like, I know I chose the Tan-Luxe, and I don't remember if I chose this or not. Let me look at my screenshots because I'm like, I honestly cannot remember. Oh yeah, I did choose the Kate Somerville. I just couldn't remember. This is the Kate Somerville all skin types, wait, no, Exfoliate. Intensive exfoliating treatment. I think you should probably use this like once a week, right? Once or twice a week. Yeah, that's what I figured. This has a retail value of $85. I'm so excited to try this. I have another Kate Somerville cleanser or whatever that I've been using. I bought it myself and it's fantastic, so I'm so excited to try this. Oh, it has a little winky face on it. Look at that. It's not going to show you. I'm so excited about this. Let me smell it. That smells weird, but it looks like baby poop. I bet it's going to be fantastic for my face though. Yeah, $85 for this little guy. It better be good. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay, I can already tell you that I love my Boxyluxe over my premium this month. Okay, next up from Persona. This is a lip gloss, and this retails for $16, and it's in the shade Toffee. So here is the shade. I'm not going to keep it just like the other gloss. I'll probably just throw it on my Poshmark. Maybe I'll bundle them together, but yeah, that's the color of the gloss. Next up we have an item that I'm so freaking excited for. Okay, this is the 3 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks 5-pack, which retails for $135. I've tried this before. I've had it twice, and it's the best mask that I've ever had in my entire life. Now I know some people are like, meh, but I love this mask. If you guys got this, give it a try, okay? Just lay down flat, put it on your skin, and relax. And if you start to feel your face tingle and go numb, it's okay, because this is gonna firm you up. It's gonna firm you. Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment. It's supposed to, yeah, diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, reinforces and protects skin barrier function, 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone, rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. I'm excited. So pumped for this. I'll probably do one tonight because I have 5. That's how excited I am because they're so freaking good. Okay, next up, and I'm so excited that I got this. I remember it was between this and something else, but I know I wanted this for sure. These are the Pure brushes. What is this called? Pure the Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. Retails for $49. So I'm not sure how this is travel size, but we have more brushes, and I think the case is so freaking cute. Oh, and these brushes are soft. Like, do I need more brushes? No, but am I going to use these and be really excited about them? Absolutely. So I am very, very excited about this. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, next up from Fenty, which I know we all got this from Fenty, just in a different color. The Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter, which retails for $36. I have the shades 7-Day Weekend and Poolside, which I don't think I'm going to be keeping these. We've gotten it before in a Luxe, and it was the Trophy Wife shade, which I got rid of because it's just, you know, if I can't use it, why keep it? Here we go. Here we go. And here are the shades. Honestly, beautiful. These actually might be like super cute for like an eyeshadow, but it's also like, why do I keep it if I'm never going to use it? I almost want to swatch them, but I'm not. I'm just going to add it on my Poshmark. Basically, I'm treating makeup like objects now, which, I mean, it is an object, but I'm treating it more like I don't need to collect makeup just to collect it. Like, if I'm not going to use it, get it out of the house, because we're not here for that. We're here to start reviewing makeup, and we don't need to keep on holding stuff. Lastly, we have a palette from Hip Dot, which, oh, I saw an unofficial spoiler for Hip Dot that the SpongeBob palette was going to be coming possibly next month in a box, and I'm so excited about that. This Hip Dot palette here is the Zion eyeshadow palette, which retails for $30. I can tell you 110% if I get the SpongeBob Hip Dot palette next month, I'm keeping it and I'm framing it. Like, I love SpongeBob. I'm just saying. Anyways, here's the palette. Super cute. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is actually a really cute palette. Here are the shades. They look kind of more pinky on camera, but they're a lot more like pinky orange. Does that make any sense? Probably not, but this is actually a really, really pretty palette. I almost want to keep it. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. I'm kind of into this palette. I think I might keep it and maybe like do some eyeshadow looks with it, and then we'll see what happens from then on. But yeah, that's everything I got in my Boxyluxe. And I have variation number 21. I have to say, overall, I'm much more excited about my Boxyluxe this month. Like, there's only 2 items in here that I'm like gonna put up on Poshmark. This, because like I'm not gonna need it, and then the gloss. But definitely it wins for, actually it's like my favorite Boxyluxe this year. Actually, it's my favorite Boxyluxe since ever. This is probably my favorite Boxyluxe since I've been getting it. Who texted me? Oh. Anyways, but yeah, like, look. We have so many products here that I'm just, like, in love with. So I'm happy. Let's see how much all of these products were and if it was worth me paying $50. So $408 was my total value for my Boxyluxe. I would have to say that is an absolute steal. So $85 spent in this video, and I have $624.95 total value. Thank you, Boxycharm, for being the superior box of all time, because I just added $624 worth of product to my collection just now. So thank you. Thank you. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, then please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you got in your boxes. Do you like your boxes? Does this entice you to sign up? You can sign up with my referral link down below if you want to. It doesn't give me anything but like 5 charms. But yeah, that is it for this video. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye!